So in this video, we are back with the new syllabus regarding the Telangana JCJ examination. We are covering the criminal laws here as per the notification. So this is just for an overview of all the criminal laws. So part 1 and part 2 links are also in the description. Please go through that. So while coming into the criminal laws which are mentioned as per the notification, Mental Health Care Act 2017, and it has come into force on 7th April 2017 and involves 126 sections. So what is the main object of this Mental Health Care Act? So this speaks about the right of persons with the mental illness and it promotes some health care services. So this is the main object of this act. The next act is Immoral Traffic Prevention Act 1956. What is trafficking? So basically, trafficking involves some coercion or force to a human being. So as we are covering here the women and girls, so coercion or force to the human being, sending them into the slavery of prostitution or to the brothel houses. So this is called as trafficking. It involves the sexual exploitation. So this has sections 25 and has come into force on 1st May 1958. The next act is Telangana Prohibition Act 1995. This has 34 sections and it has come into force on 2nd June 2014, and this is regarding the sale and consumption of intoxication of liquors in the state of Telangana. The next act we come through is Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967. So here unlawful activities means the offences which are against or dealing against the state. So the activities which are being involved or the matters which are being involved against the state, such as like terrorist activities and individual social activities. So all these come under Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967, and it has 53 sections and it has come into force on 30th December 1967. Coming to the next act, Wildlife Protection Act 1972, which has section 66 and has come into force on 9th September 1972. So as you can see, this act is regarding the protection of the wildlife, which protects the endangered species not to go with the extinction. So it bans hunting and there are some penal laws regarding this Wildlife Protection Act. Forest Law Act of Telangana, which is 1967 and it has come into force on 15th April 1967. It involves 71 sections. So this act is about to preserve and conserve the natural forest and to control the products which are coming from the forest like timber and many other products or the produce, and to see and to safeguard that it is not being held under anyone's possession. So this is about Forest Law Act. The next one is Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, which is called as POCSO Act. So this has come into force on 14 November 2012 and sections involved are 46 sections. So this act protects the children from the sexual assault, harassment, pornography, and it has some special codes to go with the trial of this children under the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act. So hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe.